Hi, hey guys, it's me, James Valentine, and today we are reviewing the Nerf Rival Nemesis and the Nerf Rechargeable Battery. Now, I got these two since yesterday, and I have not reviewed them yet, so I'm gonna have to review these for a sec for this channel. So yeah. So let's start off with the battery. So the Nerf Rival Rechargeable Battery is compatible with an upgrade, and it's for the Nerf Rebel Chaos and the Nemesis, like I had, right? And all you gotta do is like put it in the battery tray where your Nemesis and Chaos is, and he'll make it. It's just like the 6D batteries, but it's like this is like good for an upgrade because you don't want to keep. This is why making the other blast master, the Chaos and the Nemesis, making more expensive because you have to keep buying batteries over and over again. And yeah, so this is the Nerf Rival rechargeable battery, and this will make your blaster lighter. Then, so yeah. Then on to on the next one was the Nemesis. Now I've been waiting for this one for like a bunch of times. I wanted this one, so yeah. And I got blue because I am the blue team general, more like that. Not sure about that, but this will. Let me turn off my fan for a sec. Sorry about that, guys. And yeah, 100 round capacity, full auto, and full. Here's the trigger and the rev button. So yeah. Now we're gonna open up the battery tray. I already took the battery tray thing for the battery tray. So all you gotta do is put it in the blaster like this, and it's good to go. Sorry guys, I'm having a little difficulty putting this thing in for a sec. Alright guys, we got it in. Now alright, and now this is fully like an upgrade, so yeah. I mixed up my headshot ammo with the Nerf ammo, so yeah. Alright, so yeah, that's why. Alright, so now we're gonna test fire it right now. So yeah, this is the Nerf Rebel Nemesis, and right now we're gonna do some more firing for a sec, and we're gonna sign out for this video. And I recommend this blaster if you want your first rival hopper fed blaster, or I recommend the Chaos if you want to start getting another a first Nerf rival full auto blaster. So let me do some more firing. And also I recommend the rechargeable battery so you can like not buy batteries over and over again. Alright, here we go. Yep, empty the whole hopper out though. Alright, so that is the review of the Nerf Rival Nemesis and the Nerf Rival Rechargeable Battery. This is Jay Melton, and I'm signing out. See you later, Nerf Nation.